on a bad mind till no close blue. I chew him attack, man. That's what deal with that. Them bad mind you fuck. Yeah, man. I'm music what you have to promote, you not promote. Eh? You not promote fuckery. I be a negativity some of them are pushing. We love you know. We love all of you know. Even the dirty one, them dirty heart. We love you know, just want a spoon like this to wash off with blood clot. Eh? I'm good against evil, you know. And the evil force them on push, but at the righteousness I'm on push, you know. Go and push on the evil, and in the end we shall see who shall win, because righteousness prevail.
Yes.
Righteousness prevail. And sin is a reproach upon every people. So no hug up sin and corruption and every dirtiness and things like God in our own. We're going to get a beating in the very foundation of our island going to shake. Because we have so much nasty hard people down there. Only corruption and reprobate bomb clot. Purge no heart no man, we could see God face. We just sit down and eat and we're hungry and we're in poverty. We don't even like the fact that someone will try to break the change of poverty. We don't sit down and have blood clot. And all I do is tear down on one another. You can't tear right down. You see me tear down already. I build now. You can't tear down Bojo. Let me tell you this blood clot. You don't have to live with me sit down on the sidewalk and beg on the bread, you know. Because my God is real.
Real God.
You hear me say? I'm a walk and sweat and I'm a blood clot boot for my own. Because I'm a batty boy. I'm not draw my ass nowhere. I work hard. So when you're out there, eat. Remember this. To Buju Banton, most of them can't relate. And God will say, because say something make we can't hear it. My good people, I push back some dates. Yeah? Because Connecticut and Boston too close. You hear me? I mean, I want the conflict, so I push them forward. I try to take Boston phone, but them I say, boy, leave Boston. So you hear me do? I push them forward. Me not gone away, me there, because them can't do it like Buju, you know. A good over evil. Remember me telling you, them can't do it like we do this one, we are youth. What me say? I don't love it. And through the love it, the heathen them not like it. And through me love, you know, the heathen them like it neither. But them can't stop none of the love. Them can't stop my love, your love, or the Father love. So what them going to do? Them going to use them fuckery to divide us. It can't work. We have been divided before, now we solid up. Love you know, I'm a soon tonight in a Washington deep sea. In a Washington deep sea. Yes, eat us, eat your heart out.
Yo, Gaga, man.
Yeah? So my sister, yeah, my bloodline strong, and we not hurt to do it. We don't feel like you don't like or show you don't like, you can't stop what God said.
Never.
We go and go find some peace in the life, all heathens and she-dens. Good people of the corner. I love you know and I will always love you know, because you never know. I love Buju Banton, so we are here to free the people mentally, physically and spiritually. Now watch, know what them I say. And some little guy down there who nice and sweet in them lifestyle, don't watch them because them sweeter than sugar. And through them sweeter than sugar and sweeter than honey. Them a try to go and say them can't throw spokes in my way. Remember this blood clot.
Like sweet.
A toilet me use, the boy never sit down for me.
No,
Never. So I'm bad. God and abroad. Remember.
Every time. Yeah.
Say something to them, a drummer. That is it. He's not a plumber.
See all of the bad man people them. Me know I know. Hungry. Me I left for food with you know. Yeah, I don't know. Can't deal with the wicked and although the bad mind and corrupt, you know. Left a piece of food with you know. See?
Okay, Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton. People don't think a style thing or bad man really and truly active.